Bevula High School. This is our last school buffet. It's been a tough day. We started our program late. Our first performance was at 12.
Ngizizwa ngithokoze kakhulu kuzosiza abantwana bethu kakhulu labo osibathola sebeseyingxakini.
Speaking to you is Mrs. Nzimande NN, the principal of Bevula High School. So today we are visited by Ivelo Social Development. And the performance, or even the program, let's start with the program. It was very crucial and very educational. In our days, there's two that thing that is there to experiencing into bullying, and then they tend to transfer it to others. So these days, the offices of principal, SMTs, sitila ngendaba ye-bullying day in, day out.
Siyabonga kakhulu, happy kahle I don't know what to say, but I'm happy for my learners.
So siyabonga Imvelo yona especially program awareness as a shishilo ubudi uThamiso Khosana longest landa kakhulu ngoba isikhathi sishonile.
I think this program is very important bantwana bethu bafunda okuningi kakhulu, at the same time they enjoying because thina emakhaya la sikhona siqhele kakhulu izinto zama activities. In fact kuba ubona ama celebrities, they see abantu from family bonds, from generations, from what's that's other program Uzalo. Abantwana bethu bajabule kakhulu. I wish I can have a meeting with abazali and all other stakeholders. Si-invite wonke umuntu abe ingxenye because thina njengesikole sigcina esikoleni ukubafundisa, then baphume baye emakhaya. Uma befika emakhaya they get another education, so ekhaya bathola imfundiso, esikoleni bathola imfundo. So if we can combine the two, singakwazi ukulwa nesihlava sebullying.